Hey guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to talk about the anodizing process and how wet blasting is going to be your perfect tool to prep components. Today I'm going to be wet blasting the CNC part with glass bead in a VH1000 just to see what kind of finish we can get, which would prep this part for the anodizing process. All right, so blasting this component with glass bead really left a nice uniform smooth finish. It got rid of all the small burrs, and though it got rid of the burrs, it's not going to affect any intricate features or threaded holes in your components. This left an optimal profile for the anodizing process. Unlike with Cerakote and powder coat, you don't necessarily have to etch a rough profile to get anodized to stick. So another great thing about wet blasting is that it leaves such a uniform finish, so there's no hot spotting, and in a real life case scenario you would probably wear gloves to handle these so you don't leave fingerprints. And just keep in mind that the cleaner your abrasive in your water is, the better your finish is going to be for your part. And if you're wondering if wet blasting really is beneficial to your process, we do offer free sample testing if you want to send in a part so we can get it blasted and see how it works in your process. And also keep in mind that changing up your media to something more abrasive like aluminum oxide can actually help in removing anodi. For more information, visit our website or give us a call directly at 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.